Most people chase results. I don't, and you won't after watching this video. That is my promise to you. I used to chase validation, success, money, and I did it for 10 years. Until I had this one shift happen in my life. And that one shift is what I'm going to tell you right now. And when you make this change in your life, the universe conspires in your favor, as it did in my life. So here's the first realization. When you are trying to attract something, you are affirming that you don't have it. Right? If you had a Porsche, would you affirm it? No. If you had a Porsche, would you visualize it? No. Would you meditate on it? No, you wouldn't. So a lot of meditation, manifestation, visualization practices, they are actually hurting you. They are telling your subconscious, the universe, that you don't have. You are right now embodying the person of not having it. And then one day, in a meditation, I saw myself from the outside. And I asked myself, what version of yourself are you operating from? And then it hit me. I was manifesting like the person that did not have the thing. And that's a nuance, but it's a very important nuance. And I'll tell you how to fix it. I stopped asking how to get it, and I started asking, who am I when I already have this? And time collapsed. And your time will also collapse in the most beautiful way. The only thing I needed to do was showing up as the person who had it, instead of showing up as the person who did not have it. And I really did this for a long time. Woke up, had it in my mind, I need to manifest today, I need to affirm today, I need to visualize today. So I manifested becoming the person that you are right now. I manifested becoming the person that needs manifestation to fuel my life. And that is not that is not my intention. Why would I like to manifest a person that needs manifestation? Right? It's so simple and so stupid, but most of us do it. So instead of faking it, you need to start embodying it in the micro moments. So for the next 7 days, quit your techniques. Quit your visualizations, quit your affirmations, quit embodying the version that does not have it. And embody it in the micro moments. And that's the whole point of this video. And it's one of the secrets behind my identity rework program, and I'll just give it to you. So manifestation is identity work. I've told you this before. Identity-based manifestation, it's not thinking positive. It's becoming emotionally aligned with your future self. So try this right now. Close your eyes. Just breathe heavily for 5 minutes. Feel that energy. Visualize that future self. Let the energy settle in you. That conviction that you can have everything you want. Just spend as much time as you want in this visualization. Just imagine it. For the sake of this video, I won't make it any longer, but I think you should keep on doing this until the energy settles, that you feel this calm warmth in your body. And when you open your eyes, I don't want you to settle back into old you. And it's a nuance, I know it, but keep in that version you just saw. How are they speaking differently? How are they walking differently? How are they drinking their coffee differently? Right? It's very, very important. And I told one of my clients, Jones, this. Most people get this wrong with the visualization. They visualize having a car, let's say that. And they don't visualize it from the new you. They visualize it from the old you. So they just imagine a car in their head. And that's fine. But the pro level is to just recognize in that visualization who is visualizing this car. Imagine new you. How do you feel? Do you feel more buff? What clothes are you are you wearing? What sounds do you hear? How do you walk? I'm doing this because most like male entrepreneurs in my program, when they visualize future them, they visualize this alpha male. And you, obviously, you might be a guy, you might be a girl. If you are a girl, then you might visualize yourself being like this powerful woman instead. But so when I tell them this little hack to put on top of their visualizations, so instead of visualizing your car, visualize who you are having that car. How do you walk? You are walking in a more abundant way, right? Broader steps. You might take up more space in the road, more confident, more jawline. You know what I'm saying? This might be weird, but visualize that person you are when having that car. Don't visualize the car. That's not important because if you visualize the car from current you will fall back into current you. And we want to embody the sensation of future you. That is the change, right? That is the change that you need. That is identity rewind. We are rewinding back to the version you were before parents told you you were not good enough, before friends told you you were not good enough, whatever your trauma is. Let's take you back to the unlimited and infinite self you are. You are so powerful, and you can actually just decide on what you want to be. And yes, it will take some embodiment time. You will have to embody this new version, and it will be scary at first, but just by changing who you are, what you feel about yourself, what you believe about yourself, that is what you need to do. So when I say that affirmations don't work, I don't mean it in like it can never work. I mean that affirming from current you that you would like to be a new you won't work. Just step into that version. Who is it? Get very clear on who that person is. And back to the story. When I told my client Jones that it was not a car that he was visualizing, but when I told my client Jones that, it changed. And he doubled his business in 11 days. I showed you the review in 2 videos ago. I don't know, but that is the whole point of it. That is the powerful thing in visualizations, is that you get to stay in that person. It's not, I will be that person in visualization and then I will jump back. No, 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 no. Act as if. Do what that person would do. Everything. Tell more jokes if that's what he or she would do. Right? Be more magnetic. Whatever. Step into that character. I mean it. Right? Go do it now. Just after this video, close it down, close your eyes, and find future you inside your mind. Who is that? All of it. Haircut. Clothing. Tonality. Body language. Shape it. Become it. If that lit a fire in you, you are ready to take the next step.